In this video, I want to talk to you about the importance of drywall screw setters. Now, the strength of the drywall is not actually in the drywall itself, not in the gypsum. The strength of the drywall is actually in the paper. And so, if you pull the screw head through the paper, you've compromised the integrity of the drywall. You've weakened the screw to hold that drywall in position. So you only want to pull the drywall screw head into the paper just enough so that it cups the paper, but doesn't perforate the paper. So Ed, why a pack of 4? Well, as you're screwing in the screw, it will only go in so far and then it will spin on the head of the screw, and that will wear away the tip. So if you're doing a whole wall or even a whole room or a whole house, you want more, because eventually they won't have the bite that they're going to have fresh out of the package. Let's start screwing. Now for this cordless drill, I like to set it on screw, and I like to set the clutch on 9. You're going to hear the clutch engage. And so you can see the tip created a nice little divot, but that because we set our clutch on 9, it didn't go through. And so that's going to be a really easy spackle job. We're just going to go down and across and light sand when it dries. This way you can have a handful of screws and just go along. So the next time you're doing a drywall project, make sure you pick up some drywall screw setters. For more home improvement tips like this one, click the image on your screen now.